Hey there, as always, thanks for tuning in. So when you're not controlling Pixelcade from your arcade front end, you can now control Pixelcade from an iOS companion app. So go ahead and launch the Pixelcade app on your iOS device. You can see here I have 3 different Pixelcade devices on my network, so I'm going to go ahead and pick one. And the way that works is you can just go here and browse all the marquee art. So let's pick some MAME art, for example. Go by name. And you can just tap. And as you tap, they will display. You can also browse and look at ones that have video snaps. So for example, here's one. There's another one. Okay, some of them actually have animations as well. These are more kind of low-res animations like that. So you can see there's lots of genres here. We got also some Daphne art. Daphne art is quite nice, actually. And then what you can also do, which is pretty cool, is if you find some artwork that you don't like and you want to replace it, you can actually replace it with your own artwork. So I'm just going to pick one at random here. So what you do is when you find your marquees, left swipe like this, hit import. There's a couple ways you can copy and paste. Right now I'm going to open image. This is actually linked to your iCloud, so I've uploaded some marquees to my iCloud. I'm just going to pick one here. Okay, then you just hit the Save to Pixelcade button. And then when you go back, you've now got your new marquee art. So that's pretty cool. Again, I could have copy and pasted as well. The other thing that's really nice is you can select favorites, because there's a lot of marquee art. I don't know exactly how many, but there's a lot. And so you go here, and any one that you like, just hit the star, and that will put it in your favorites. And then what's nice after you've done that is you can then click on this tools icon. It takes you here, and then all your favorites are here. If you click the play icon here, it basically starts a track mode. So basically track mode or slideshow cycles through all of your favorite marquees automatically, which is pretty nice. And then once you're done with your attract mode, just make sure you hit the stop again to stop it. And now you're back into interactive mode. Okay, so let's go back to that tools icon. You can also rename your marquee. So this is helpful. So you can see here, I've already renamed it to Rec Room LCD. So I'm just going to leave that as is. You can also do some scrolling messages. So let's just type a message here. Okay, I'm just going to loop it one time. You see that number 1 there. Now note, when you do a scrolling message, there's a little bit of a delay, so you just have to be patient. So just wait a second and you'll see that message scroll. And there's our scrolling message. Okay, note we've got some utilities down here, so if I want to do a reboot, I'm not going to do the reboot right now, but I could reboot it. I could do a power down. I could even do a factory reset from here. So there's also some pretty cool integration with Siri. So let's try that. Start Pixelcade attract mode. Okay. So I set up some Siri shortcuts, and now it's actually doing the attract mode. So some nice Siri integration there. And so the last feature I want to show you is this on-off NFC tag. So what I've done is I've taken that NFC tag, stuck it to the side of my cab here, and then what I can do is take my phone, just put it over that tag, and I'll get a little prompt, and then it'll prompt me. It just provides a faster way to power off Pixelcade. So now Pixelcade is doing a safe shutdown, shut down Pixelcade, and then I can shut down my cab. Okay, great. So Pixelcade's turned off. Now we'll go ahead and turn off the cab. I have a master power switch, so I'm just going to turn that off. That's going to turn off everything in the cab, and now we're turned off. So hope you liked it. As always, thanks for tuning in.